Most hikers who get lost actually have a working phone. They just have no signal. Here is the specific offline system to prevent that. Getting lost doesn't usually happen on Mount Everest. It happens on local trails just a mile from the car. It starts slowly. You miss a subtle junction. The path fades, and suddenly nothing looks familiar. Navigation isn't about survival skills. It's about staying on the path in the first place. Never rely on a single point of failure. Your battery could die, the cold could shut down your phone, or the screen could break. Effective navigation relies on redundancy. You need a primary digital tool, but you also need a physical reality check to verify what the screen tells you. First, delete the idea that Google Maps is enough. It is designed for cars, not trails. It lacks topographic details, terrain features, and smaller footpaths. You must use a dedicated hiking app like AllTrails, Gaia GPS, or organic maps to see the actual terrain. The most common mistake beginners make is forgetting to download the map while they still have Wi-Fi. Doing this at the trailhead often fails because cell service is weak or non-existent. Follow this strict protocol at home before you even tie your shoes. Once on the trail, look up from your screen. Trails are marked by blazes, painted strips on trees, or cairns, which are distinct stacks of rocks. If you walk for 10 minutes without seeing a marker or a clear tread, stop immediately. You are likely off-route. Here is a habit that saves lives: the shoulder check. Every 20 minutes, turn around and look at the trail behind you. This is the exact view you need to recognize on your return trip. Trails look completely different in reverse, and this visual memory is your safety net. If you cannot find the trail, do not push on hoping to find it. That is how day hikes turn into rescue operations. Use the S.T.O.P rule. Adrenaline makes you make bad decisions. Sitting down restores your ability to think logically and conserve energy. Before you leave for your first hike, verify these 4 items. If you can't check all 4, you aren't ready to step onto the trail. Screenshot this checklist and use it every single time you pack your bag. Stay found, stay safe, and see you on the trail.